Hello and welcome to our video on what every parent needs to know about ADHD. ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects millions of children and adults worldwide. In this video, we'll be discussing the signs and symptoms of ADHD, as well as the best ways to manage and support individuals with this condition, including various forms of help available to frustrated parents. First, let's start by defining what ADHD is. ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by symptoms of inattention, impulsivity, and hyperactivity that interferes with a person's ability to function in daily life. It is commonly diagnosed in childhood, but can continue into adulthood. Symptoms of ADHD can include difficulty paying attention or staying focused, trouble following through on instructions, forgetfulness, impulsivity, and difficulty sitting still. These symptoms can vary in severity, and it's important to note that all children have moments of inattention, impulsivity, and hyperactivity. However, if these symptoms are severe enough to interfere with a child's daily life and development, they may have ADHD. It's also important to understand that ADHD is not caused by poor parenting or a lack of discipline. It is a neurodevelopmental disorder that is believed to be caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Studies have shown that there is a genetic component to ADHD, and research suggests that certain genes may make a person more susceptible to developing the disorder. Environmental factors such as prenatal exposure to alcohol or tobacco smoke, premature birth, and low birth weight have also been linked to an increased risk of ADHD. Now, let's talk about how to identify ADHD. The diagnosis of ADHD is made based on a thorough assessment by a healthcare professional, such as a pediatrician, a child psychologist, or a psychiatrist. This assessment typically includes a physical examination, a review of the child's medical and developmental history, and a thorough examination of the child's behavior, including observation of the child in different settings. It's important to note that ADHD can be easily mistaken with other conditions such as anxiety and depression. So it's essential to get a proper diagnosis. Once a diagnosis is made, the next step is to develop a treatment plan. The most effective treatment for ADHD is a combination of medication and behavior therapy. Medications such as Ritalin and Adderall can help to improve attention and reduce impulsivity. Behavioral medicine, on the other hand, can help individuals with ADHD learn strategies to manage their impulsivity, improve their concentration, and develop social skills. This can include techniques like positive reinforcement, reward systems, and setting clear boundaries. As a parent, it's important to establish a structured and organized environment at home, set clear and consistent rules, establish a routine, and provide frequent positive reinforcement for good behavior. Additionally, it's essential to educate yourself about ADHD and advocate for your child in school and other settings. This can include working closely with teachers to develop an individualized education plan, IEP, and ensuring that accommodations are made to help your child succeed. It's also important to note that children with ADHD may struggle with social interactions, self-esteem, and self-worth. As a parent, it's crucial to provide emotional support and understanding, and to help your child develop resilience and coping mechanisms. This can include activities such as sports, music, and art that can provide an outlet for them to express themselves and develop self-confidence. It's also important to mention that many people with ADHD also have other conditions, such as anxiety, depression, and learning disorders. It's essential to work closely with a healthcare provider and counselor. Now let's talk about executive functioning skills related to ADHD. Executive functioning skills are a set of cognitive abilities responsible for managing daily life and achieving success. These skills include planning, organization, time management, working memory, and the ability to inhibit impulses. Children with ADHD often struggle with these skills, making it difficult for them to succeed in school, at home, and in social situations. There are several ways to help children with ADHD develop their executive functioning skills. One is to provide them with visual aids and tools, such as calendars and to-do lists, to help them stay organized. Another is to teach them strategies for breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Additionally, teaching children with ADHD how to prioritize tasks and manage their time can be very helpful. Dana Darby has created tools and strategies to help parents in her book, Parenting ADHD Kids Patiently Throughout Their Lives. It's a fantastic resource for parents who need help raising their ADHD children. Another effective way to help children with ADHD develop their executive functioning skills is to provide them with daily opportunities to practice these skills. This can include things like scheduling regular study sessions, helping them to set goals and track progress, and providing them with regular feedback on their performance. Another strategy that can be helpful for parents of children with ADHD is to seek support and advice from professionals, such as educators, psychologists, and social workers. These professionals can provide information and strategies to help you better understand and support your child. They can also provide you with guidance on how to work with your child's school, and can connect you with other resources and support groups. In conclusion, ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects millions of children and adults worldwide. Parents need to understand the signs and symptoms of ADHD, as well as the best ways to manage and support individuals with this condition. Additionally, it's essential to understand the importance of executive functioning skills related to ADHD and how to help children with ADHD develop these skills. With the proper support and strategies, individuals with ADHD can lead successful and fulfilling lives. Don't forget to check out Dana Darby's books on parenting kids with ADHD on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful.